Good news! We dodged the basketball showers!
Hooray! I hate flying!
Easy for you to say, lazy, crazy Daisy Fanning. You aren't even cranking.
I don't have any arms, so I can't help you guys!
You know how you could help!
So painful!
Yay!
Don't hurt her! You know what? I'll crank it.
Guys, what's that spire in front of us? It's huge!
Just like your massive inflated noggin.
And is that a bunk bed on top?
Well, steer away from it. I don't want to crash.
Sure thing.
What do you think that cloud looks like?
I think the cloud looks like a snowball, because I'm not blind.
Well, I think it looks like how big my enormous brain is. Wait.
Bugs!
Silly, Coiny! The bugs are our host, and they're just telling us it's time for cake and steak!
Hey, two! When you bake a cake, decorate and take it to the players who are safe. That's how you know it's cake and steak.
Cake and steak!
Wrong season.
I can't understand them.
Not a problem, Nickel. My yoil straw can also translate bug ease into English. Watch.
7 of you are up for elimination.
That was impressive!
So rude.
What do you mean, so rude? You bought tickets to watch this cake and steak.
Oh, right.
Nickel, Pin, Bommy, Fries, Tennis Ball, Golf Ball, and Coiny. Whoever gets the most likes gets a prize. Whoever gets the most dislikes is eliminated.
Isn't this thrilling?
Well, let's see who won the prize.
Prize! Prize! Prize!
Pin wins the prize.
Congratulations, buddy.
Spin the wheel already, Pin. We don't got all day. Well, since you won't spin it, it looks like you'll win. Excruciating pain for 2,763 years. Sounds fun.
Stop, stop, stop. I have had enough of Pin being the butt of your jokes. I will spin it. Whoops!
Regain your face, your size, and a state-of-the-art mech suit. Oh, my tater.
Pin shall rise! Pin shall rise! Pin shall rise!
Guys, I'm feeling uneasy.
Return of the woe! Return of the woe! Return of the woe!
Yay! I'm back to regular size, and I got my face, and I got my limbs. Oh, wait, they got my face on the wrong side.
Maybe Pin can get her brain back too?
Wow, you fixed it.
Welcome back, Pin! Pin, it's so nice you're complete again. What's the first thing you want to do now?
Oh, that's an easy one.
Tear down the free smartest who did this to me.
Run!
You need to stop violating cake and steak etiquette, Pencil. Maybe now you'll learn your lesson.
Oh, my word! The bug's poisoned Pencil! How can we let her suffer such a fate?
Oh, yeah, we never let that happen.
Oh, if the bugs are gonna kill us, then we gotta kill the bugs with Spongy.
Huh?
On to the elimination. We got 57,725 dislikes. You'll get a poisoned instrument if you're safe. Coiny and Pin are the first ones safe.
Yes! Body back, and now I'm in the final 10. This day just keeps getting better and better.
Tennis Ball is also safe with 5K.
Yay! Cello there, Golfy.
That joke is adequately funny. C+.
Now we're down to Nickel, Bommy, Fries, and Golf Ball. The lead switched hands between you guys at least 3 times, and all of you got over 10,000 dislikes. You repulsive dislike magnets.
Ironic you're calling us repulsive.
I wouldn't call our hosts repulsive, Fries.
Nickel is nice, so he's safe.
Woo! Kindness wins again!
Fries is mean, but he's safe.
And it's dead.
Wait, but that means...
It's down to Bommy and Golf Ball.
But I'm so used to getting prizes! This can't be happening!
TB, calculate
my chances of winning?
It's 1 out of 11, so 9.090909 repeating percent. But don't you normally like doing the math yourself? Are you nervous?
Not nervous, just verifying. For Spongy to kill the bugs, we need them all in one place. I heard they like sugar.
I got you covered!
Perfect! A place that where Spongy's gonna land. It's working. Keep going.
Here we go, here we go! Save some for me.
Okay, now back up. Hooray! So who's eliminated?
Golf ball, don't you see? Our host has been killed!
No matter, we've been through this before. Come host now!
But Golfy, who the heck is
Who's calling me?
Wait, perfect! You can't forget to!
What's that noise? Start cranking! Start cranking!
What? I can't hear you.
Start cranking!
Oh, right. How could I forget?
Phew! That was too close.
I'm gossiping about this. Hey, BFF, you would not believe what I just saw.
No, wait, besties. Spill the beans.
Was that Barfback's voice? But isn't
Spongy just died.
For real? Hold on, my friends broke their bones. Call you back.
Sure, see you later.
Enough dying! Who's eliminated?
Well, all the books are dead, and Barfback picked up the phone, so I guess she's the host?
Awesome! Wait, excuse me. Out of my way. Hold on. I'd love to host. Let's reveal the votes. Golf ball. I don't really know you, but you are eliminated!
what? But I'm the world team leader.
No, not Golfy! Wow, this is like gonna be so satisfying.
Tennis friend, keep inventing devices. That's how you can win this for the both of us. Now my chances of winning went from 9.09 per repeating percent to 0.000%. Wait, is that a golf club?
Awesome! Another team no-namer.
Oh, great.
Like, now that stupid bozo-brain bossy butt is gone, spin the, wheel to choose the contest.
Yay! Match is back!
Here, Match, I'm the host now.
But I gotta do this for free smart, and I wanna, see pen spends.
Rules are rules.
Why don't we have everybody in the locker of losers host?
Okay.
Yay!
But seriously, spin that contest wheel already.
Guys?
Oh my gosh! Pan flute!
I'm not dead.
Oh my gosh, you're alive! But we paid a lot for that poster, so...
Girl, nasty, I've been a nasty girl. Nasty, I've been a nasty girl. Nasty,
Enough killing! I would never advocate for that!
Bunk bed!
The one atop the spire, silly!
Since the bed only fits 2, you'll have to split into 5 pairs to compete.
Sounds good. Pin, wanna form a team?
Of course.
Oh my gumdrop, Free Smart, we gotta form a team!
You can't have all 4 members on one team. You have to split up.
Darn! Well, Pencil's dead and Needle's the rookie, so we can do a team of me and Book.
Gee, thanks!
Aw man, without my Golfy by my side, who could I possibly team with?
Why not me? I have the same shape and limbs as her.
I guess you'll do.
Woo! I feel so appreciated right now.
Wait, but that means I have to team with... the kidnapper!
You literally tried to murder me.
Yo, weaklings, have you all formed teams yet?
Yeah!
Then let's crash that bunk bed!
Okay!
We're here.
So, let's go over the rules. Get to the bunk bed on the top of the spire. There will be 5 floating islands along the way.
Don't slow down, because a certain someone sure doesn't like trespassers!
Who's that?
Silly question. Anyway, the last team to get to the end will be sleep deprived and up for elimination.
Only 2 people in danger? That's so few.
But how will we get to Island 1?
Wade, who asked that question?
Me, the only ball with lines.
Well, only ball with lines. Figure it out yourself. 3, 2, 1, go!
Can you believe it, Pointy? Now that I have wheels, we're in first.
No, Pin, we're in last.
Aw, man.
Climb that spire, Bommy. The bunk beds are probably in the air.
Whoa. I'm not your servant. You do it.
Well, I sure as dirt ain't listening to you.
No way.
We gotta go for the vines, Ruby.
Oh yeah, made it here first. Those who are green are Speedy Machine.
Really? That rule doesn't apply to everyone, huh?
Oh, my word, we left our dear rookie behind.
Well, Pencil always promised me that if she ever died, we could bury her in the Free Smart Super Coffin!
Pencil wanted to be buried in a coffin with a rocket engine?
Of course! What's this? Put Pencil inside!
Hello, contestants! I'm Donut, first boot of bfdia, and welcome to my island. As a prize for getting here, you may take a blanket.
Oh, my blacksmith, Donut. I haven't seen you since the days you said no.
Yeah, that's me alright. On this island, your goal is to fill these jetpacks with fuel and try to use them to fly to Island 2.
Oh, sounds delightful. Now, where could I find this fuel you speak of?
Hey, Pin, can your mech suit climb vines?
It's 10.
Oh, my felt, we're falling behind.
Stop shaking me! Stop shaking me! I mean, we're the only team with no arms anyway. What did you expect?
Wait, I know what to do. I invented metal to fuzz glue.
Whoa! What are you doing?
Now, between the 2 of us, we have 4 limbs.
Oh, yeah!
You have arms, so you should climb.
I'm not gonna.
What do you do it for? One of my fries.
No, I hate fries. Oh, sweet.
Want more? Come and get it.
Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh.
We've reached Island 1!
So have we.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Sugar Crash.
Welcome to Donut Island, teams 2 and 3. Ruby, Book, Fries, Bommy, long time no see.
Indeed! And I think your island is... tasty!
Look, Donut said we had to fill these jetpacks with fuel, but I can't find any.
Needle, there's no fuel on Donut Island. It's cherry filling.
Oh, I get it.
Climb, 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 climb.
I'm excited we get to compete again.
And I'm excited for revenge.
But wait, your power cable.
Huh?
Go figure. I'd like to order 2,763 extension cables.
Thank you for your order.
I built an ecosystem-destroying oil rig to extract jelly filling as fast as possible.
And I built, well, I'm not really sure how to contribute.
You could suck the pollution out of the air with this straw. It's done! Nickel, let's go.
Sure thing.
Ooh, I want to use the oil rig too!
Would you look at that? Our only armless team soars to first place. Congratulations, Tennis Ball and Nickel.
Why, thank you, Donut. You know, I haven't heard much from you since you said
No!
But you don't make a bad host after all.
Huh.
The coin and ball already finished. Bobby, wake up. I need your help. Get digging, Bobby. The ingredients are probably underground.
Hey, Book, how does this jetpack look?
Wow, you got it so full, Ruby. Let's find Island 2 now.
Yay!
Oh man, you guys are so fast. If only I had a living team member.
Yeah, well, be sure to give Pencil a stern talking to at the next Alliance meeting. Ooh, these must be the extension cables. Ah, not evil Leafy. You're all plugged in now.
It's working.
Woo! What a picturesque island! And it's got a vat of anti-poison on it.
But who's hosting this island? Oh, it's you. Fine, I'll take a pillow.
Wow, there's more of me out there? Fascinating.
But wait, how could Dora host an island? Doesn't she eat?
Shh, don't say it.
Looks like someone's got the munchies.
What an unhinged host we have here. And I'm referring to her jaw, not her mind.
Dora, you know you won't be able to taste any of the islands through the metal walls, right?
We have to eat an island to ascend? I don't like the sound of that. Oh, great. You're here too now. What's with your friend?
Sugar crash.
We're flying! Whee!
Yes, you are, Ruby.
From here we can see the pink frosted mountains, the glazed hills, the churro pillars, and the donut sinkholes. And Needy. Whoa! What's happening? Are you sure the fuel you collected was pure jelly filling?
I think so. It was from TV's oil rig.
Oil rig? That garbage is polluted.
Polluted? No!
Yes!
Finally done! Oh no, they're doomed! To become a Free Smart member, one must show an act of sacrifice!
Ow! Watch where you're going!
Oh, I know where I'm going!
Wait! Needle threw her jetpack at us! Catch it! Next time, think twice before shrinking my body! I can't believe that just happened.
Let's give up.
Yeah.
Wake up, wake up!
Where am I?
Eat an island!
No, that sounds disgusting! You do it!
Eat another sugary fry! Okay.
Wanna eat an island?
I would, but my doctor says I'm allergic to minerals. Ooh, how about this? I'll cook and season an island, which will make it super appetizing for you to eat.
Oh, okay. It has an awful chemically aftertaste.
Really? Well, try to stomach it. It's like they always say, vegetables are good for you, and grass is basically vegetables, right? Wait, what's the sound?
Free Smart's back! And back to life!
Where am I?
You're on Dora's Island, and I'm your team member!
Gotta eat! I feel better.
Side effects of anti-poison. You know, I would know.
Weird.
No way! Dora, you're still alive!
Oh, nice! Teddy bears!
Hey, Teardrop, what do you want us to do on this island? What?
Rise! Teardrop is saying there's a lot of chatterboxes on this island whose blabbering is annoying the other droplets!
So you want us
She
to...
wants us to make the chatterboxes shut up, and then her cousin droplets will give you a gift to say thanks!
I can't believe we were so far ahead, and now we're in dead last.
It's over. Oh, it's really over. What's that?
They remembered us! Swim up the stream, you guys!
It's the free smart comeback of the century!
What? We have to eat islands?
Yeah, like them.
Tastes bad! Tastes bad!
It does? Probably because of all that gunk in your mouth. Let's brush it out. Faster, 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 faster!
Oh, hey, did you know that bees can recognize faces? I read somewhere and I thought
Yo,
that was so
Whistle,
cool.
you're
Speaking of bees,
being
I tried honey from a local
obnoxious.
farm and it was
Honeydrop
amazing.
doesn't like that.
Yeah, it's time to be quiet.
Oh yeah, what if I don't want to be quiet?
Yay! Free Smart is back together again!
Well, we're not all back. Aren't you forgetting someone?
Wait, you don't mean... Oh, I get it.
What's up, guys? I'm back.
Yay! Bubbles back!
I promised not to pop her.
Glad to hear it, Needy.
Alright, why don't we stick together now?
Then what do you want from us? Wait, Eden Island? I already did that, see? You were saying?
Hooray!
Are you done brushing?
Only like 2% the way there.
Do you like it?
Doesn't look like it. It's 90% dirt.
Well, if you don't like it, garbage disposal.
Hooray! Ah!
We're here.
Oh, my bubble blower. Is this Teardrop's Island?
I miss TD.
Well, oh, look! There's a Teardrop family reunion happening over there. Let's check it out. Why, hello there, you one distinguished guest. Two distinguished guests.
Oh, hey there. Did you know I've been scrubbing yo-yo toilets for years? It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. Speaking of scrubbing, have you ever noticed how many different kinds of...
Huh? I think Coffee Drop is thankful you got rid of that obnoxious brush.
You're welcome, Coffee. But what do I do with this microphone?
And what do I do with the helium tank?
I'm dumb and I eat gumdrops. Ow!
No, here's how you use it.
Hooray!
Oh, evil Leafy's here! Are my teeth clean enough yet?
Just a little more. Oh, this brush isn't fast enough. Now your teeth are clean and shiny. Thanks, DB. No time to talk.
The free smarters are getting away. This is unacceptable.
You know what's actually unacceptable? You're not listening to my dream where 30 giraffes stampeded into my bedroom and stole my socks, so I had to go to the store and buy more, but they ran out so I burned to the ground.
These are the springy shoes Bubbles always wanted.
Oh, my mint. Is that the shipwreck from that urban legend?
You mean how Teardrop was a pirate?
Yeah. Here. Get a photo of me with the ship.
For sure. But first, I need to back up.
You know, I've been really thinking about my own mortality lately. I keep getting this feeling that I'm about to die soon. Did you know that statistically people are more likely to die from getting run over by a...
Say cheese. Oh man, this photo's ruined.
Can I see the pic?
Sure, but first, this milk drop gave me rockets.
Whoa, what does this button do? What is this place?
It's like my mastic factory, you coinster. It's where they build more of, like, me.
Really?
Yeah.
Gross.
Hey, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Girl.
Hey.
Yay.
Stop.
Why?
Cuz.
No.
Yes.
Hey.
Weird.
Jerk.
Hey.
Tiny.
Pencil.
Pen.
Ruby.
Anyway, what do we do here?
Oh, well, first off, welcome to, like, my beautiful island. Feel free to pick up, like, a nightcap for catching Z's. The challenge is to, like, build a raft to ride the volcano to, like, the next island. Got that?
Yeah, I guess.
But also, like, OMG, Spence, I haven't seen you in, like, forever. We have, like so much to, like, talk about.
Hey, Match, I guess we could, but I'm kind of busy.
Oh.
Well, Ben, let's make that raft.
Do we have to do that too?
Well, you guys are like my BFFs, so I'll let you in on a little secret.
There's an extra raft near the shipwreck on Teardrop's Island.
Oh! Higher, Bonnie, higher! I can almost smell the sweetness of Match's Island.
This island smells rancid.
Hey!
Yeah?
Hey!
Ow!
Be more careful.
We made it! Girl?
Yay! Awesome. Now don't kill me again.
If you say so.
Grr squared. Whatever. How about this?
Snatch.
Nice bounce, Jiggle Boy.
Yeah, don't call me that.
Team Kidnapper is back!
Match, you're just an object with stupid, ugly red hair.
Well, at least I can say I'm not like a pinhead.
Max, your friends are jumping off a cliff.
Oh, I'm well aware. Hello there, Teardrop, my former squashy grape. Need anything from us?
You know what's making sounds that just never stop? It's like a built-in measuring. Speaking sounds, have you heard of something live? The way instruments blend together is just explosive.
You want us to tell them to be quiet? Got it.
Oh, time always coming down, but you know time they'll do.
We're here to save you. Nickel, do your thing. Wow, this must be Match's Island.
Now our raft is done.
Sharing is caring.
Hey, it would be sharing if you like ripped it in half and gave us the other half, because sharing is when both people get something. This is just stealing.
Whatever.
Wait, Will Bunchers have to stick together!
Lame.
Thanks, Bommy.
All right, free smarters, where do you think the extra raft would be? Match said it was around the ship, so I'll check the bow.
I'll check the foremast.
I'll check the deck.
I'll check the inside.
I'll check the after peak. I didn't find anything. Bubble?
I was too scared to go inside.
TB, are you sad GB's gone?
Yeah, it is sad. Although, the extra space lets me hone in my own building skills. Like this.
Nice! Let's ride it up the volcano.
Welcome to the most colorful island. Pick up a bedtime story.
OMG! I love reading bedtime stories. Wait, does this island make all of us sound like this?
I hope not. That's better. So, Puffball the Backstabber, we meet again.
So we do. You're now within earshot of the bunk bed. Your task is to sing a lullaby. If I like it, the puffy platform will rise, and you'll be able to step into bed. That's the finish line.
Ooh, a lullaby? I want to try. Boom, boom, boom. That's me exploding. Boom, boom, boom.
That was horrible.
Okay.
Let me try. Puffball, you betrayed us. You're a filthy brat. You deserve to burn. I will crush you flat.
That was so off topic, Fries. Give me the mic. Pointy, pointy, pointy. My point is sharp and pointy. Pointy, pointy, pointy. My point is sharp and pointy.
I don't want to go in.
You only live once.
That must mean the raft is under the ship. Nice, let's just get out of here.
Look, trapped
Wait, where's Book?
She made a noble sacrifice. We gotta move on.
Wait!
I made it! Yay!
Oh, there's the raft.
Pointy, pointy, pointy. My point is sharp and pointy. Pointy, pointy, pointy.
That was atrocious.
Aw.
Who's next?
We are.
Close your eyes, go to sleep.
Let your prefrontal cortex emit melatonin and lose consciousness.
Ow!
That wasn't very lullaby-like.
But look, it worked, so you pass.
It's the bunk bed.
You can get in first, TB. You earned it.
Yay! This is for you, Golfy.
Tennis Ball and Nickel are the first team to get in the bunk bed. They are safe.
Close your eyes, go to sleep.
We're back! Yay! Free Smart stays on top!
But what rank are we now?
You're on the bottom. The last 2 ranks. Nobody's behind you. Yeah.
Oh.
Well, no time for crying. We got the raft you told us about.
Yo-yo cake. Wait, let Bubble say it.
Yo-yo cake.
Let's go.
Puffball, you betrayed us! You're a filthy brat! You deserve to be! I will crush you!
Wow, your song improved.
Yeah! We did it!
You know, maybe we don't need to kidnap and murder each other.
Go to bed.
Puffball, you betrayed us! You're a filthy brat!
Bommy and Fries are safe at second place. Which means it's down to Coiny and Pin and the Free Smart teams. Who will survive? Find out after the break.
Break.
We're back.
Maybe I should try singing this time.
Take it away. Pointy, pointy, pointy. My point is sharp and pointy. Pointy, pointy, pointy. My point is sharp and pointy. Pointy, pointy, pointy. It's so sharp and pointy.
Terrible. You have learned nothing.
Well, then it's my turn to sing, right? 1 sheep, 2 sheep, red sheep, blue sheep.
Stop! A team cannot sing twice in a row if there are other teams ready to go.
But there aren't?
Oh, but there are.
No!
And now it's time for us to get in the bunk bed we deserve. Hit it, Pencil!
Go. I have no idea what to sing. Do you?
I've got something up my sleeve. I dreamed a dream where no one called me Needy. You dreamed a dream where nobody called you Puppy. We dreamed a dream of a world with no name calling. Only there can we sleep peacefully on islands falling.
That was beautiful. You pass.
Yay! I owe you a big one, Needle.
I dreamed a dream where no one called me Needy.
Pencil and Needle safe at third place. Now only 2 teams have not finished.
All right, now it's our turn.
No, by the rules, you can't sing twice until we get a chance to sing.
Grrr! Rules are your rules.
Please sing when you are ready.
It's us versus them, Book. This is our shot to remove our biggest rival from the game.
But do we even know what to sing? I'm not a lyrics booklet.
What about spongy cake?
No, I've got a...
We don't have all day.
I've got a backup plan.
Pointy, pointy, pointy. My point is sharp and pointy. Pointy,
What?
pointy, pointy.
They can't.
I feel like I've heard this before.
This isn't working.
My point is sharp and pointy.
Pointy, pointy, pointy. My point is sharp and pointy. Pointy, pointy. Hold on. I'm feeling this.
Now they've resorted to stealing my song.
Whoa, Pin, are you good?
This is completely unacceptable. You can't claim someone else's song as your own. That completely ruins the game.
Chill.
I liked the sound of that remix. You pass.
Yeah! We did it!
Yo-yo cake.
That's it!
Free Smart, you fool. You have crossed far too many lines. You ripped off my face. You crushed my body. You didn't let Ice Cube come swing with me. And now you have the gall to steal my song? No wonder your team name abbreviates to fart. It's time you feel my pain. It's time you feel the gravity of all the atrocities you have inflicted upon me. Ruby and Book, I have no remorse in saying that you are up for elimination.
What just happened? Pin, do you know?
Mary had a little lamb.
Good.
Yeah, I won't question it.
Mary had a little lamb.
Well, that settles it. Pin and Coiny snatched 4th and last spot in the bunk bed, so they are safe. Only Ruby and Book failed to reach the bunk bed, so they are up for elimination. Go to the voting videos in the description and like the contestant you want to give a prize, and dislike the one you want eliminated. See you in bfdia 15.
Oi guys! Hi, I'm Michael, and if you liked the episode and want to help us out, then please press subscribe and make sure you're subscribed. Or else I'll turn into a raging pin! Also, right now, as you're watching this episode, the tennis ball, golf ball, and evil leafy plushes are finally available for you to order today. Thank you to everyone who came and saw the episode early at the BFDI and II 2024 tour. It was amazing getting to meet you guys. Goodbye!